Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Young Gideka, and I'll be taking you through your e-commerce Elementor website setup. So the first step, actually, it's a 4-phase type of step. So the first phase that I want to take you through is first getting your domain. So the importance of a domain is so that if someone is looking for you on the internet, they can just type in your URL, which is your domain, and they'll get to your site. Just like in life, if you type google.com, you'll go to Google's web page. So we want to set up a domain for you so that if someone wants your website, you must just type out your website and they'll go to your page. So the platform we'll be using for our hosting, it would be Infinity Free. So reasons for us using Infinity Free is because it's a free hosting platform and you don't have to pay any money for any domain that you'd like to purchase, and because you're still learning how to develop or how to create websites, it's actually better because now you don't pay for a service while you're training. You rather use a free service, and as time goes by and you become better at developing websites, you can now go for the paid premium versions, or you could look for other alternatives. But yeah, by the way, this is an unsponsored web tutorial, so I'm just using Infinity Free because I like using it. Okay, so for us to start with this whole process, the first thing we need to do is, because we don't have an account, we're going to register. So I'll take you through that process. That means you're going to click on register. So you'll have login. Next to login, you have register. We click on register. Okay, guys, so after clicking register, you should land on the Infinity sign up page, and then all you just need to do is to fill in all the credentials. So my email address will be test at my company's name, and then a password, and then I retype the password, because I have read the terms of service. I suggest you read it, but though you have to accept if you want to continue using their platform. So I accept and then sign up. Okay, so I've successfully signed up to the Infinity, to become an Infinity Free domain host user. They've sent me a link to my email, so I'm just going to open up my email address. Okay, so you can see the email from Infinity was sent. Hey, and there's a message. So we just have to verify the email address, and there we go. Welcome to our dashboard for Infinity. So as you can see, they gave me 3 domains that I can register. So at this current moment I have none, so I can have 3 websites on this that I'm not going to pay for. It's going to be my free hosted domains. So these 3 free hosted domains will be the ones that I can play around with, try this and try that there. So we're going to start and create our first domain registration. So we're going to say create. Because it's a free website, you'll find a whole lot of pop-ups, so just close them, and then you'll see choose a hosting plan. So we'll go with Infinity Free, $0 forever, and then we're going to create it. And so it's verifying. Please confirm that you are a human. Yes, I am. Okay, So now we're going to choose our domain name. So what is our website going to be called? So this is infinityfree.com. So what do we want ours to be? So I'm going to say ncdev. So because it's a free domain, or it's a free hosting, it's going to be free hosting. I'm not going to have .com straight. I'm going to have like this. It's got .kaiser.com. So this is the one that we're going for. And then we're going to say check availability. Yes, no, okay, there we go. It's available. And here it lets us know our account label, short description to help you identify your account. So it just says visit, account username. You used to log on to FPA. This will be just for my database access, and then the password to my database. So here they're asking me, is our supplier allowed to contact you about your hosting account? Yes, they are supposed to contact me. I want to know what's happening. If they want to close my hosting account, I want to know that they're closing it. So we're going to approve on that. So I approve, and we're going to create the account. Okay, so the account has been created. So they'll tell you account IF created. Your account has been created with the username. Are some things you need to know. So just read up on that. This just tells you what's happening with your account at this current moment. So from here on, we have successfully created an account. So we can either open our cPanel or we can click finish. So we are going to open our cPanel, but I just want to show you how it looks like before we get there. So we're going to say finish. And this is going to be, that's us there. Account number, and that's our website. So you'll see these are the things that you could have a look at: your SSL, certificates, redirects, any other thing that you want to edit. We're not going to touch on this as yet because we're still new. We're just going to head straight to our control panel. Okay, so we click control panel and we get this message. So this message will tell us that, hi, that's my username. To notify you of any changes to service, account status changes, offers, and other important services or other important service emails, we need permission to send you emails. Please click I approve below to allow us. Alternatively, you can say no, but please do, guys, click approve so that you can know what's happening with your account. And then thanks, the panel will load up now. And congratulations, guys, we have successfully registered on Infinity Free, and we have hosted our first website. So now what's left to us to do is to install the plugins that we'll need, tools or plugins we'll need, so that we can develop our website. Okay, so I just want to show you something on your email. It says thanks for signing up, and then it gives us our hosting account details. Okay, so that's the two emails you get from Infinity Free. So the first one is for registration, and then the second one will be for your username and password for the email or for the website that you've just currently registered. Okay, so when we head back to our cPanel, we're going to go down. Okay, so on our cPanel, we'll see we have site builder, and then we're just going to go down because we want to use our tools or plugins to develop our website. We're not going to upload anything, so we're going to say software and soft calculus app installation. So you'll get to this page after clicking the soft calculus, and we're going to use WordPress to develop our website. So we're going to install WordPress. Okay, so this would be the landing page. After clicking WordPress, you would see this is HTTP and then the website's URL. You scroll down, you'll see that you have site settings, and next to site settings you have admin account. So when we say site settings, we're going to say we're going to tell people what's our site name. So it's going to be ncdev. Okay, let's just fix that. ncdev ecosystem. And just another IT company. ICT company. So guys, this would be where you put in your company's description. I'm just making mine up. And we're going to choose our username. So it's going to be our admin username. So we're going to use these details here every time we want to log on to our website and edit. So please guys, after doing this section, please write it down somewhere. If you do not have a photographic memory, but just for safety, just write it down somewhere. So I'm going to say admin, and then I'm going to change my password. And then at the bottom I'll have install. So I just had to scroll up to see this, and it's installing. So congratulations, the software was successfully installed, or was installed successfully. So we're just gonna have a look at our website before we go anywhere. So we click on the first link. So hey guys, welcome. This is your first official WordPress website. Although it's got a whole lot of dummy text, but you just created a website successfully, or website template. So the next steps we're going to take now is that we need to set up our website. We want to create an e-commerce store. So we're going to install all the required plugins, and we're going to set up everything that needs to be set up before we start editing our website. So without any further ado, let's continue. So let's click on, before I go, yeah, we can click on administrative URL. If we click on this, it will take us to our WordPress admin. But once you're done with this, you won't be able to find your website. So I'm just going to show you the longer route to do that. So after logging on to self-calculus, you're going to come across this page. So every time you want to access your website from self-calculus, you'll go to this page, and then you just have to say login. And it will log you onto your WordPress website. Okay guys, I'd like to say congratulations for making it so far to the tutorial. I mean, now currently you are on your WordPress dashboard, meaning that you're actually ready to edit your website. So glad you got to stick around. Have a look at what we can do on WordPress then. So before we start editing anything, we're going to install all the plugins and all the tools and applications we're going to need. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to appearance, and then we're going to download our theme. So we're going to say add new theme. We're going to look for our theme. The theme that we're going to use, guys, it's Astra. If you do not see this theme, please search for it up here. So you'll go there, and then you'll type Astra, A-S-T-R-A, and then enter. And it should pop up here as the first theme, and then you say install. And then after installing, we're going to activate it. Okay guys, so our Astra theme has been successfully installed. What we're going to do is we're going to install our plugin called Elementor before we go any further. So we're going to go to plugins. Plugins. and then add a new plugin, and then you'll have featured. So we're going to search for the plugin we're looking for, which is called Elementor, and press enter. So you will see it, Elementor Web Builder, more than just a web page builder. Okay, so this is one of the best plugins that I've ever used, and it's got limited features if you didn't pay for it, but it does not mean that you cannot do magic with it. If you understand how to move about, you could create something that someone would believe that, hey, that guy has a paid version of Elementor. You just need to know how to play around with the tool. Okay, so I'll just show you what to do and how to play around with the basics, and it's up to you to go deep into detail. But yeah, that's the plugin we're going to be using, Elementor Website Builder, and then we're going to activate it. Okay, so we've successfully installed and activated Elementor. So you can see here you have Get Elementor Pro. So for those who have the finances, they can actually purchase the Pro version. Okay, so we're going to go with our template and say let's get started. Okay guys, so this template comes, or these templates that we'll be using will be coming from the theme that we installed of Astra. So Astra's, we're going to look for a template on Astra that will help us build our e-commerce site. So yeah, and then you're going to have this page which is how would you like to build your website. So you have an option to use AI website builder, but we don't want that one. We're going to go with a classic starter website. So we're going to build our theme in that. So okay guys, after clicking that, you will land on this page, and on this page we're actually looking for a specific theme or template. So we're going to type custom printing, and you will have a look at this. It's the second theme, so custom printing, not the Pro but the free version. It's going to be this one, so we're going to click on this one, and you'll have your options here, from your fonts to your color palettes. So we're going to keep everything as original as is, and we're going to say continue. So when you get to this here, for the fun of it, let's just select everything. Let's say in the future we want people to be able to donate to us. We'll have that auto integration. So let's say we're building it for the future, and we say continue, and you have this page, last step. So you fill in your name and surname, email address, I am a beginner, intermediate, expert. Let's say beginner for myself, and we need to submit. Congratulations guys, it took us about 3 minutes to install our template. So guess now we can visit our website to see how it looks like. So this is our template. As you can see, it's not as we thought it would be. And we go back to our dashboard. Okay, now that we're back on our dashboard and we have all the required tools that we'll need to work on our e-commerce website. Okay, so after visiting our site and we're not happy with how the theme or how the template was installed, what I'll advise you to do is just to reinstall the template until you get what you want. Okay, so we're going to go back to Astra. You can see just below dashboard, and then you have Astra. You click on that, and then you go to start theme template. And then we go with basic template, and then we search for custom, and it will pop up here, which is custom printing. We open that, and then we continue. Now here we're going to do is we're going to skip, and then we're going to click submit and build my website. So we're going to leave this unticked because we do not want to keep our old data. We want to remove everything. So we're just going to submit. When we click on submit, it will then load onto our page. Okay, so after having to reinstall the template because it didn't look how it has to, let's just see. And there we'd have it. Our template's supposed to look like that. So if you failed for the first time, guys, don't give up hope. Just reinstall it again up until you get this user interface in front of you. Okay guys, so after countless attempts to get the theme to work, we finally got it to work properly. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go into Elementor, and I'll show you how to change this section here, which is reprint. And you can also change that if you want to. We're going to change the button, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to change this here. Okay, so let's say edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is the Elementor editor. So as you can see, this is our website. So we're going to start with this. Reprint what you want. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Then we're going to go there. I'm going to say eat code, sleep code, and finally pray and code. Okay. So we change the first section. Then we can also change the button here, which says let's code. And as we scroll down, you can see here this image here. So we're going to click on top of our container. You'll see it says edit container. When you click on it, you will see the layout, and we'll give you the specs of what's happening. We're going to say style. You can see it's got an image. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to say upload file, select file, and we're going to select that Panda 3. And then we're going to say select, and there we go. So you can see we've uploaded our banner. Scroll down, and we're going to publish this. Okay, so it has successfully published. So we're gonna click on the drop down and we're gonna say view page. Just see how our website looks like now. And there you have it. Code, sleep code, pay code. And you scroll down, you see you have let's code there. So go down and the image was changed there. Okay, so the next thing that we want to change is we want to change here. We want to add another button and also change under these buttons, and then also change the logo. Okay, customize. Okay guys, so that's successfully loaded. As you can have a look, you have global, header builder, breadcrumb, page, so forth and so on, site identity, menu. So if we hover over this and click on that there, which is the logo, it will give us an option to remove the logo. So we're going to remove the logo. You see the logo is no longer there. Okay guys, so after successfully changing my logo, I will then go and look for my menu buttons. So I'll go down to menu, and then you'll see that I have a menu currently set to my primary menu. I click on the drop down and this is my menu. So I have a home page, which is this one, all products, about, and contact. So you also have an account, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add one and I'm going to call it, and I'm going to go down here, say that, let's say test page, and I'm going to add. So after adding my test page, you can see it's here. Okay, that doesn't work. So you can see my test page is there. So if I minimize that, I push this up. It's a bit slow guys, bear with me. Just put it under my drop down sub menu one. Just directly under my drop down. Yeah. Okay, there was a test page, but I want it under my drop down. So if I was to go there, you'd see there you have my test page. So I showed you how to add the page and how also you can move it and put it under another menu like account has now. It will have test page, my account, and cart. Okay, so now we've changed the logo, we've changed or we've added a page. We can delete the page. So how about we delete the one we just created? So Gonna click on that and gonna hit the remove. So that's how you add, and that's how you also delete a page. As I hover there, see it's gone again. Okay, so once you've changed this, click publish. And then you close this down. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to delete and we are going to add new products. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. And you go to products. And then we're going to delete all the current products. Bulk action. We're going to move to trash. So after we're done deleting this product, we're going to add a product of our own. And then we're going to tick to make sure that it shows on the featured list. And we're going to give it an icon. Finally, we're going to change the currency from, as you can see, USD to rands. Okay, so after deleting all the existing products, we head back to our product page and we add a new product. So let's see which products are we first adding. Going to say set image. So product image, set product image, upload files. So our first product, it's gonna be a gaming mouse and keyboard. You need to select and gaming mouse and keyboard RGB, and just copy this, go down to product description and short product description, just paste that, and we're going to say it's 200 rand. So I'll also show you how to change from dollars to rand. And once this is done, we need to create a category for this. So we're going to add a new category and we're going to say it's gadgets. Okay, gadgets, and we're going to add the new category by saying add new category. So we leave parent category. And let's just hit publish. Okay, I think it has successfully been inserted, or the new product has been uploaded. So let's add another one. So we're going to go up below products and say add new product. Okay, it's loading. And let's just have a look. Set product and upload, select. Let's see, you can go with the headphones. It's going to say open. set the product image. So we're gonna call this headphones, say wireless headphones. Copy this, paste it down there. Let me say it's just 100 Rand. And we're going to put it under gadgets. Oopsie. And after everything is done, we're going to publish. Okay, now that we have published 2 of our products, we're going to change the dollars to Rand. So we're going to go eCommerce and go to settings. And you'll see this is your settings page. So if your store has a physical address, you could put that in there and just scroll down. So we're looking for currency and click on the drop down and go for ZAR, which is South African Rand, and we're gonna save this. Okay, so as you can see, let's have a look. Currency has been changed to ZAR. So the next thing we want to do is we want to look at our website, and we are going to add the 2 categories so that they can display on our website. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down and have a look. So they're supposed to be here, they're not yet here. That means we still have a step to do, which is to add them. So we're just gonna scroll down and let's click edit auth Elementor. Okay, now that we've landed on our Elementor plugin page, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for our featured products. We're going to click on that and we see that we have one category which is mugs, and we're going to add another category called gadgets, and we're going to say apply and publish. Okay, we're just going to scroll down to see. And here is our first gadget. Successfully uploaded. So guys, that's how you upload all of your products on Elementor. So let's just click on that preview there to see our website, our e-commerce store. So as you can see, we changed the logo. I showed you guys how to add new pages, and I also showed you how to put a page under, or how to have a drop down page. We changed the banner text We changed the button text. We deleted all the old products and we added a new product. And we also changed the banner here. So have a look at it, guys, and as I've been showing you, play around, try this and that up until you get the feel of it. But if you have any questions, please do type them down in the comment section and I will answer them. So yeah, thanks guys, that's our second product. Cheers.